Alrighty. Here is the Old Faithful Massey Ferguson 178 with Perkins diesel. This tractor has about 10,000 hours on it. It does have a rebuilt motor in it from a long time ago. Don't worry, that's not fluid from the tractor, it's all just watery shit. But see, it's a cold start. It's got a quality exhaust system on here. It's a plugged in cold start. How does this work again? Something like that. Throttle. And since it's made in Britain, the key turns the opposite way, so instead of going that way to turn it on, you gotta go that way. No glow plugs, no nothing. Now, never needs a shot of ether. That's one thing you can count on with your Perkins. So here we got the shit pit. Focus. It's a bit of a shitty business here. There's the other shit pit that I was emptying out that other video. Everybody was commenting on. It's funny to read all those comments. I'm walking on the ramp where we drive the tractor up. Shit falls through that slot. And over there we got a R285 John Deere 2950 Massey Ferguson. Beside it, 285. And then right in front in the middle of the screen is the R. And right in the middle of the screen, way over yonder, is the old Cavalier. We still have that thing. Haven't scrapped it. We're a little sentimentally attached to it because we feel sorry for it. Because we bought it, we should have put it on the road. It still has papers and everything. All the other cars didn't, so. And there's very little scrap metal corners right there. So, alright guys, I think that's all I got for now. It's a shitty business. Thanks for watching.